Let's take a look at formative evaluation of training. Formative evaluation refers to the evaluation of training that takes place during program design and development. That is, formative evaluation helps to ensure that 1. The training program is well organized and runs smoothly, and 2. Trainees learn and are satisfied with the program. Formative evaluation provides information about how to make the program better. It usually involves collecting qualitative data about the program. Qualitative data includes opinions, beliefs, and feelings about the program. Formative evaluations ask customers, employees, managers, and subject matter experts their opinions on the description of the training content and objectives of the program design. The formative evaluation is conducted either individually or in groups before the program is made available to the rest of the company. Trainers may also be involved to ensure the time requirements of the program are met. As a result of formative evaluation, training content may be changed to be more accurate, easy to understand, or more appealing. The training method may be adjusted to improve learning, such as providing trainees with more opportunities to practice or give feedback. Also, introducing the training program as early as possible to managers and customers helps in getting them to buy into the program, which is critical for their role in helping employees learn and transfer skills. Formative evaluation involves pilot testing. Pilot testing refers to the process of previewing the training program with potential trainees and managers or with other customers, persons who are paying for the development of the program. Pilot testing can be used as a dress rehearsal to show the program to managers, trainees, and customers. It should also be used for formative evaluation.